So again, I create one more table as customer and declare column name, customer ID, name and order ID. So order ID is available in sales table as well. Okay. So in sales table, we declare it as a primary key. It is a unique value. So same column name is available in customer table as well. So here we declare order ID as foreign key. Foreign key we declare in both table. Same column name is available. One table it is primary, so second table we mention it as foreign key for our operations like joins and all. We need to declare it as foreign key. Same column name. Okay. Execute. So we need to insert some values. So yeah, we are going